What if I told you you can make money with affiliate marketing without spending a penny? Unbelievable, right? I'm 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗲, and I'm the head of affiliate marketing for GetResponse. And today we're going to go through how to start an affiliate marketing campaign at no cost to you. And let's be clear, there are no quick tricks here. This is a step-by-step guide on how to start your first affiliate marketing campaign. All you need is an internet-connected device and an internet connection, which you probably already have or you wouldn't be watching this video. So let's just get started and go through Let's just get started. Step 1 is to choose your marketing channels. Since you'll be starting from scratch, you'll need to find a way to develop an audience. One way to start is social media platforms. You already have friends and followers on many of these platforms, and that's a great way to get going. Depending on how large your existing audience is right now, will determine how quickly you can get started. But if you don't have a lot, don't be discouraged, because there's over 5 billion social media users out there, and many of them are looking for recommendations on products and services, and this is the best way to start building your audience and earning affiliate income. Each platform has its own strengths and audiences. So for example, YouTube is a great place to post videos and have visual content. If that's your strength, use it, because followers love seeing videos and explanations of products and how to use them. Another is Instagram, which is more a visual showcase of products and services. And then there's LinkedIn as an example, which is the location for B2B services and marketing. So make sure to choose the one that highlights your strengths and potential audience. Another idea is to try email marketing. GetResponse offers all the tools you need to start building lists and build your affiliate marketing referrals. It could also help you develop an online presence, create lead magnets, and create websites and landing pages to direct your audience. Eventually there'll be a cost for this, but with GetResponse you could try it for free. Off to step number 2. Choose a niche. A common mistake for beginners is trying to do too much and trying to do too many services and not focusing on one thing that they do well. Try to identify niches that you understand and you know. So for example, if you're into fashion, start there. If you like things that are related to technology, that's a great place to start, because people are always looking for information on technology. Would you buy dog food from a craft shop? I don't think so. That's why picking a niche is critical. It's not just about your interests though. It's also about what other folks want and what the demand is for it. You want to be able to sell things that you know, but you also want to be able to sell things that people want to buy. It's much easier to promote affiliate products when you're passionate about it and you're knowledgeable about it. And if you become an expert, this is where people will go to learn about these products and then understand what is the best for them to buy. Once you've picked your niche and identified your target audience, now it's time to join a program. There are usually 2 ways to join an affiliate marketing program. You can identify an in-house program with a specific advertiser or merchant, or you can join an affiliate network that has many advertisers and merchants to choose from. Networks have a great mix of products and services. Look for merchants that have a solid reputation, and also look for ones that have great commissions. So, for example, in-house programs are just with one particular merchant. The benefit of that is you have a one-to-one relationship with them, probably get more information directly from them about the product and services, talk to them directly about how to sell their product, and sometimes there are better commission rates. You could look for them in a few different ways. You could search for affiliate programs and networks on Google, or you could find a particular company you may like and search to see if they have an in-house program that's available to join on their website. So here's a quick tip. For ideas, you can look at what other affiliates are doing and who they're promoting and how they're promoting it. The best way to find out about affiliate marketing is to go to other affiliates and learn what they're doing. And all of these methods are for free. Some of the more popular affiliate networks are ShareASale, Commission Junction, Impact, and Awin. All of them are free to join. GetResponse has a great affiliate program. You have 2 choices. You have a bounty commission program that gives you $100 per sale, and a 33% recurring commission program that's going to pay you every month for every sale you've ever made that's still active. It also integrates into our email marketing platform. So in one stop, you have all the tools you need to start an affiliate marketing campaign and to learn how to become an affiliate marketer. If you're interested in joining the GetResponse affiliate program, check out the link in the description on this video. Step number 4, use the right keywords. Keywords are used in many different ways, such as social media or social media advertising, paid search, both which cost money, but also SEO, which is search engine optimization, which you would use in a blog, and that's free. You could also use keywords to help people get to your website, so people could find you and learn about the products and services that you're referring. So, how do you find the right keywords to use? The answer is keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Moz Keyword Explorer to find out what customers are searching for in your niche. If you want to find out more about that, we've prepared a full article on keyword research. You can find that link in the description. The next step is to create outstanding content. Content is the most important part of affiliate marketing. This is where you add value for your customers. Moreover, social media platforms and search engines reward high-value content with higher rankings and more visibility, which is your ultimate goal. What constitutes high-quality content? Relevance, engagements, and being unique. So, whether you're writing a blog post, creating a video, or a graphic, keep it engaging and make it unique. And lastly, keep up with audience engagement. Engagement is your key to success. Talk to your audience, be part of the conversation, and provide them with relevant information. Show your audience you're not just a marketer, you're someone who cares about their interests and answers their questions. The more active you are, the more visibility you'll have, and the more commissions you'll earn. And that's a wrap. This is your entry into the no-cost world of affiliate marketing. Are you excited? Good, you should be. So now go off and start your affiliate marketing journey, create a campaign, and earn some money. If you have any questions and concerns, leave them in the comments area. We'll answer everyone's questions. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.